Hello everyone and welcome to another Customer Service Champions training video. My name is Tal Schnell. I'm your customer service coach, speaker, and mentor, and today I'm excited to talk to you about an important topic when it comes to customer relations and of course branding, which is all about creating and building trust for the long haul. I want you to think of a company that sticks out in your mind that you are consistently have a relationship with, and there's an element there that creates consistency for you as a customer and you willing to do business with them for many years. And I can tell you that you will share with me probably the number one reason that you went ahead and been part of the brand experience has been trust. The number one factor that customers are telling us whether they will do business with us, it's the trust. And I think that all of us can relate to that, whether it's in business or our own personal relationships. Trust is a key factor in everything that we do. More importantly, it's about branding and customer relationships, because there's a lot of things that many companies are doing from sales and marketing, and which is one of the promises that every brand has, is to keep those promises. And how we do that is by establishing and building trust over the long haul. In this video, I want to share with you some strategies that you can increase trust. You may have trust, the customers have trust with your brand at this time, but we want to increase that so we can boost up the loyalty bottom line. And the loyalty bottom line is driven by trust, and that's what I want to share with you. And I actually thought about a great quote to start this lesson, and it's taken from a book called The Brand Mindset, which is in front of me. And I thought about this lesson and what will really stick out if I had to nail it to one line or a couple of lines that can share with you the thought about trust. So let me share this with you. Just a quote from the book here. It says that a brand has much better chance for success if it can employ two concepts, and that is doing things right and doing the right things as indicated in the brand promise. So these things are important for all businesses that have relationships with customers. It is about doing the right things and making sure that the right things are happening in your business every day. So I want to dive into those strategies to help you increase that trust. I've been working with hotel brands for a long time, and I can tell you that trust is a key factor, because customers will go back to brands and they mention the name of the brand over and over, because there was a relationship of trust, there was credibility and consistency with the experience, the customer experience. So the first thing I want to share with you that is a key strategy that sometimes is forgotten from brand promises and the trust factor is over-delivering on those promises will create trust. A powerful trust is going above and beyond, is over-delivering on those sales and marketing promises that we set out to do to attract a customer. So we need to make sure that we're going above and beyond and we're delivering that exceptional experience, what I call the +1 experience. If you're delivering the +1 experience, customers will come back and they'll see that you didn't just promise something, you actually over-delivered in an amazing way that they want to come back and do business with you. So that's number one. Number two is all about moments of truth. Moments of truth are those experiences that the customer can really see what you're doing. They can really see from interaction to interaction whether you are delivering the experience for them as they anticipated and they thought about with your business. When you can really do that consistently, it communicates truth, integrity, character of your brand, because now your customers are going back to something that is true, that is reliable, that has integrity, that has character. All these factors are important in delivering the experience of truth, that they can see it in their own eyes with their own senses. They can see the truth is in front of them. Number three is about credibility. A brand, a powerful brand, if you start thinking about it, and I want you to think about a brand that resonates with you, and you will tell me that beyond the trust is about credibility of the brand. So several of the most powerful brands out there, and you can pick one or two, have been around for a long time, and they have great reputation because they have credibility. They delivered, they had the consistency, they had the reliability. People can trust them because they created something that is powerful to emulate. And the credibility is those stories that people share. The customers are sharing those stories, and that's how they can build credibility. So I want you to think about credibility as those stories that customers share over and over, years after years, about that brand and what it means to them. And if it creates that emotional connection, then the brand has credibility and consistency. So speaking of consistency, that's another one that we really need to hone in on. Is the product and the service consistent? You know, that's the question that your customers are asking. I mean, you can take Apple, for example. I mean, is their product and service consistent with our needs, with what we need to do with that product? And this is really important, especially for our product, is to deliver a level of consistency, but also customer service. Customer service, great customer service, is consistent delivery. So when you do that and you execute day in and day out, you creating consistency, which, if you think about it, builds your brand trust. The next one we're going to talk about is soliciting feedback and improving your product and service. I think that's sometimes given but not practiced. And what I'm saying here is that we have to listen to the feedback. We have to listen to our customers and see what's on their mind. How did they perceive our brand experiences and products and services? And it takes a while for this to digest, to learn from, and improve that process, because we want to listen to our customers and really dig in deep to find out what we can do to make it better for them. And if you take, again, the most powerful brands, what they essentially did is they, over the years, listened to those things and made adjustments to their products and services. I mean, the customer voice shapes a lot of different things, but when you don't listen, it creates a gap of trust there, because you're not listening to your customer. They want to be valued, they want to be acknowledged, and they want to be someone that you can empathize with, in order to hear their concerns, their feelings, in order to make their experience a better experience for them on the next visit. So I really appreciate you guys are tuning into this video. There's going to be a blog post about this topic, because I'm really passionate about how to build that customer relationships from a trust perspective. And because if you boost the trust, you can boost the loyalty with your brand, and that's how brands win. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Tal Schnell. I'm your customer service coach, speaker, and mentor. And connect with me. I love to learn more about your business and what we can do to add value to the customer experience. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next training video.